students are playing in the school ground. That time Asr Adhan called. Adhan called. Let's stop our play. We'll restart after namaz. Okay. I am not coming. My hand plastered. So you can go. Show me. No excuse in namaz for no one. How can ablution? You can select other option. Tayammum. How? First, ready for tayammum. And remove the organs. And take poor soil. And send intention. കഴുത്തെ ഹലാലാക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി ഞാൻ തൈമും ചെയ്യുന്നു. Dust of hands. Remove the soil. Rub your face in those hands. Again dust of hands. Remove the soil. Rub the right hand do like this. Then rub the left hand do like this. At last, interlace your fingers. The tayammum is finished. Scene 2. After taking ablution, they are ready to perform. Students are taking ablution. Look your dress. There is mud. That is najas. Remove it. No, mud is not najas. Oh, so what is najas? Please teach me. Najas are two types. Normal najas and strong najas. Blood, urine, dung, pus, vomit, carrions of animals. These are normal najas. Pig and dog are strong najas. How to clean strong najas? If touch pig or dog, you should wash 7 times. One of them should be with soil mixed water.
Clean from najas is obligatory acts of ablution.
No, obligatory acts are 6.
What are they?
First one is make the intention. Second one is wash the face. Third one is wash the arms including elbow. Fourth one is wipe the head. Fifth one is wash the feet including ankles. The last one is do in sequence. Scene 3. After taking ablution, they are ready to perform namaz.
Hisana, look, you didn't cover your aura.
No problem. Aura is between navel and knee.
No, that is man's aura. Our aura is namaz, whole body parts, south face and 4 hands.
Oh, Jazakallah khair.
When did it start? Do you know?
I know. One day Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam went into 7th sky from Baitul Muqaddas. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam had a conversation with the Allah. That time, Allah gave him a gift that day. That was 5-time prayer. Scene 4. After namaz, school time is over. They are returning their home.
Hello? Yes, dear, tell me. Oh, you can perform Luhr and Asr shorten and combine. Okay, dear.
Who is that?
That's my friend.
Any problem?
She is in a journey today. She has a doubt about shorten and combine.
The prayers can be shortened and combined during journey of 132 or more kilometers. To combine salah means to perform Zuhur and Asr at the time of either or Maghrib and Isha at the time of either. To shorten salah means to perform 4 prayer 2 rakat. Combining prayer is 2 times. Combining in the first time and combining in the second time. Combining in the first time is to perform Asr prayer in the time of Zuhur prayer or Isha prayer in the time of Maghrib prayer. Combining in the second time is to perform Zuhur prayer in the time of Asr prayer or Maghrib prayer in the time of Isha prayer.
Okay friends, can I go? I have got soon because a cat fell down to our well. So we'll do pump out the water and clean it.
How much water is in the well?
Is it more water? Above 2 kulla.
Oh, so no need to avoid water. Because if the smell, taste and color of the water and thing changed, you should pump out the water. Otherwise, no need it. Assalamu alaikum.